You may not believe it, but there is one liquid solution that can make plants healthier and grow dramatically faster when applied correctly. What's even more surprising is that the ingredient used to make it is incredibly common. Many people even grow it in their gardens without fully realizing its true potential. That ingredient is aloe vera. Not only can aloe vera stimulate root growth, revive weak plants, and strengthen plant resistance, but it can also be combined into several highly effective solutions for the entire garden. And in this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step to turn aloe vera into a true super ingredient for your garden. Something that can even outperform many expensive commercial products on the market. Aloe vera is one of the most familiar plants, yet it holds an incredible number of benefits. It is believed to have originated from North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, regions known for their extremely hot and dry climates. Because it had to survive in harsh conditions with very little water, aloe vera developed a powerful ability to store moisture inside its thick leaves, creating the nutrient-rich gel we know today. Inside that clear gel are enzymes, amino acids, polysaccharides, vitamins, and natural minerals that are not only beneficial for humans, but also extremely useful for plants. Thanks to its moisture-retaining ability, recovery support, and its role in creating a stable environment for roots, aloe vera has long been used by gardeners as a natural, biological helper. What makes it even better is that this plant is very easy to grow, highly resilient, and suitable for almost any garden. So what exactly can aloe vera gel do for your garden? Let's take a look at 5 powerful homemade solutions that may completely change the way you think about this plant. 1. Aloe vera gel solution. Few people realize that the clear gel inside aloe vera leaves can provide remarkable support for plants, especially for those that have just been transplanted or recently moved outdoors under hot sunlight. Aloe vera gel helps the root zone maintain stable moisture, reduces water loss, and minimizes wilting after plants experience environmental changes. The method is very simple. You only need 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. Scoop out the clear inner gel, place it into a blender with about 1 liter of water, and blend thoroughly. After blending, lightly strain the mixture and it is ready to use. Applying it is also very easy. Pour the solution directly around the root zone immediately after transplanting or planting into the soil, about 7 to 10 centimeters away from the base of the plant. During periods of heat stress or signs of dehydration, you can continue applying it once every 5 to 7 days. What makes aloe vera gel special is its natural polysaccharides, compounds capable of lightly retaining moisture around the roots, helping create a more stable soil environment for young plants. In addition, aloe vera contains small amounts of enzymes, amino acids, and micronutrients that help plants recover more quickly after environmental stress. After just a few days of use, you will notice plants wilting less, leaves appearing firmer, and recovery happening much faster. This is especially effective for newly transplanted plants, cuttings, or plants that have experienced prolonged hot weather. 2. Root-stimulating solution. If you regularly propagate plants from cuttings, but often find that the cuttings wilt easily, root slowly, or rot at the base, then aloe vera is one natural ingredient definitely worth trying. This solution works especially well for plants like basil, mint, pothos, tomatoes, peppers, and many others. The strength of aloe vera comes from the fact that it contains enzymes, polysaccharides, and a naturally moisture-retaining gel environment that helps the cut tissue stay hydrated after being separated from the mother plant. At the same time, this gel layer can also help reduce the chance of bacteria and fungi invading the cut area during the early stage. So, what is the formula for this solution? Simply take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, mix it with 500 milliliters of clean water, and stir well. Then, soak the base of the cuttings in the solution for about 2 to 6 hours before planting them into soil or water. You can also dip the freshly cut end directly into pure aloe vera gel before propagation. This method allows the gel to coat the cut surface more effectively. After a few days, you will notice that the cuttings stay fresh longer, develop less stem darkening or rot, and form roots more steadily, especially during hot or dry weather conditions. Three, aloe vera tea combined with rice water. This is an extremely suitable solution for container gardens or soils that have become depleted and low in organic matter. Instead of directly feeding the plant, this mixture mainly focuses on supporting the microbial life in the soil, helping the soil become healthier and more stable over time. You simply mix 1 part aloe vera gel with 5 parts diluted rice water. Then let the mixture rest for about 12 to 24 hours in a cool place. During this period, the mild organic compounds in both the aloe vera and rice water create a favorable environment for beneficial microbes to thrive. Before using, dilute the mixture again at a ratio of 1 to 5. Then pour it directly around the base of the plant. A suitable application frequency is about once every 7 to 14 days. The strength of this mixture comes from the combination of polysaccharides in aloe vera, help lightly retain moisture and stabilize the soil environment. Starches and vitamin B from rice water provide energy for beneficial microorganisms. Natural enzymes support the breakdown of organic matter in the soil. After using it for some time, you will notice the soil gradually recovering and retaining moisture better. The soil surface becomes less compacted and dry, microbial activity underneath becomes much stronger, and the soil turns noticeably looser and more aerated. However, there is one very important precaution. You should never use the mixture too concentrated or allow it to ferment for too long, because this can reduce oxygen levels in the soil, suffocate the roots, and negatively affect the plants. 4. Aloe vera and banana peel solution. Is your plant flowering but failing to set fruit? Or perhaps it produces fruit, but the fruits stay small or begin to rot? Then this is a solution that may work very well for you. The combination of aloe vera and banana peels helps provide light mineral nutrition while also creating a more stable root environment for the plant. The strength of this mixture comes from the combination of aloe vera gel, helps lightly retain moisture around the root zone, allowing plants to stay more stable during high-energy growth stages. Banana peels provide a mild source of soluble potassium, supporting flowering, fruit setting, and healthier fruit development. The method is very simple. Prepare 1 aloe vera leaf and about 1 to 2 chopped banana peels. Place everything into about 1 liter of water and let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. After soaking, strain the liquid and dilute it further at a ratio of 1 to 3 to 1 to 5 before use. Simply pour the solution directly around the base of the plant once every 10 to 14 days. It is especially effective during the flowering stage or when the plant begins developing fruit. After a few applications, you will notice a very clear difference. Plants produce more flowers, drop fewer young fruits, and maintain healthier green leaves even during the fruiting stage. 5. Aloe Vera spray for preventing leaf burn. During long periods of hot weather, many plants suffer from leaf edge burn, slight wilting, or rapid water loss, especially leafy vegetables and plants that have recently been moved into direct sunlight. In these situations, aloe vera can act as a natural biological support layer that helps plants reduce heat stress more effectively. The method is very simple. You only need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel mixed with 1 liter of water, then stir well. If you want to increase the effectiveness, you can also add a few drops of diluted seaweed extract or humic solution to provide extra minerals and mild organic compounds. Once the solution is ready, pour it into a spray bottle and lightly mist the underside of the leaves in the early morning or late afternoon. Never spray during the hot midday sun, as this can shock the leaves or cause water droplets to intensify leaf burn. This solution is very gentle and suitable for many different plants, such as cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplants, leafy greens, and young plants that have just been transplanted into larger pots. Its main strength comes from the high level of polysaccharides, which help reduce excessive moisture loss from the leaf surface during hot weather. In addition, some of the natural enzymes and amino acids in aloe vera also help plants remain more stable under heat stress. With this solution, you can significantly reduce problems like wilting and leaf edge burn, allowing plants to continue developing steadily even under harsh weather conditions. With just one common aloe vera plant, you can create up to 5 extremely useful solutions for your garden. From retaining moisture and reducing transplant shock, to stimulating root growth for cuttings, supporting beneficial soil microbes, preventing leaf burn during summer, and helping plants flower and develop fruit. Each solution has its own unique role while making use of the natural biological properties found in aloe vera. The most important thing to understand is that these are not miracle fertilizers, but natural solutions that help plants grow in a healthier, more stable, and sustainable way. When combined with a few simple ingredients, this small aloe vera plant can truly become one of the most valuable resources in your entire garden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video so more people can discover these simple yet highly effective gardening methods. And if you'd like me to continue sharing more natural plant solutions, leave a comment below.